Hi, how to make gnocchi super tasty. So gnocchi is just mostly rehydrated potato, and what I do, I don't boil it, I shallow fry it. So I take a teaspoon of, well, a tablespoon of olive oil. We'll just pop the gnocchi in. That's hot. It takes a little while. It takes about between 5 and 7 minutes to make it nice and crispy, the gnocchi. But it is worth it. It's really tasty. I'm just putting the gnocchi in slowly because if they are stuck together, I'm just separating them. Sizzling. You do have to stay with it and keep moving it around a bit so it doesn't stick to the pan. It's all worth it. So we've got our nice and crispy gnocchi here. So what will you have your gnocchi with? And our favourite here is we have it with kidney beans and red cabbage, which we fry off in the same way. So I'm just going to do that and I'll show you the end results. A lot of red cabbage here, and we'll just fry that off in the same way. We definitely get our fibre day. Don't forget to season your gnocchi while it's warm as well. Salt and pepper to taste. There's so much cabbage, it's going to take another 5-7 minutes to get this all nicely cooked. I've got a mixing bowl here, and I've got some spring onion and some coriander in here, and the kidney beans are nearly done there. It's just a tin of kidney beans that are already cooked, so I'm just going to heat them up without any oil in the pan that the cabbage and the gnocchi was in, and then I'm going to mix it all together. And to garnish, I'll put some feta cheese on top. So super delicious gnocchi here. I'm serving it with freshly baked bread. I've put the feta in there and stirred it through. So watch out for how much salt you put at the start, because there's a lot of salt in feta. Thanks for watching.